Mathematics is a very well structured discipline. Roger Bacon, a prominent philosopher of 12th century, once said, "Mathematics is the gateway and key to all sciences." Teaching techniques are such aids which are used to make the lesson interesting, to explain the content and to remember it by heart during teaching learning process. Techniques are not directly linked with the teaching objectives, but they are linked with teaching methods. It is a well-defined procedure used to accomplish a specific activity or task. Teaching techniques are used in order to make the teaching effective, successful, and interesting. While teaching any subject, a teacher uses certain techniques in order to make the children learn and remember the concept in a better manner. Different techniques employed by different teachers come under the category of teaching methods, and they have an impact on the objectives of teaching. A teaching strategy is a plan that is made by teachers for teaching, which includes a pattern of teaching in order to achieve certain outcomes. Now, some of the important techniques of teaching mathematics are brainstorming, drill work, assignment, homework, oral work, written work, group work, self-study, supervised study, review, etc. Before deciding the appropriate teaching techniques, we must consider the following things such as subject matter, group's knowledge of the subject, learning objectives, available time, group size, kinds of participation desired, equipment available, type of room, cost, participants' learning style, etc. Now the comparison between strategy, approach, method and technique. At first glance, all four terms appear synonymous, but upon a closer look at each of them, there is actually a subtle difference among them. If we were to line them up, say on a time continuum from left to right, they appear as follows. Strategy is a mental model in our head with an end in mind. A method or plan chosen to bring about a desired future, such as achievement of a goal or solution to a problem. Approach is like a game plan with start point, end point and transition points in between, all clearly laid out as a process or procedure, an initial proposal or request made to someone. Method is the definitely executable process or procedure with all the specific and prioritized tasks which anyone can be assigned to get the process or procedure to work according to the game plan and in tune with the envisaged strategy. A particular procedure for accomplishing or approaching something, especially a systematic or established one. Technique is the final skillful execution on a point-to-point basis from start point to end point, which everybody can see as a concrete deliverable or productive outcome or the definition of the medium that is going to be used. Now try this.